Hey guys, Sherry Fox here with What the Fox, and today I'm going to show you how to install one of these. Basically just a baseboard door stopper. If you're wondering why you would need a door stop, this is a great example. If you will look on the bottom of this door stopper, you'll see a screw. I'm going to make this easy for you. I'm going to use 3/16 drill bit. But if you're not familiar with diameters, etc., the easiest way to do this is to just take your drill bit and see if it's the same size of the screw that you're trying to put into the wall. Once you have located where you're going to put the door stopper, to where it hits the baseboard and the door itself, just kind of press a little bit and make yourself an indentation. And then what you want to do is just take your drill and drill a hole. Once you have a hole drilled in your baseboard, you're just going to take your door stop and you're just going to twist it until it lays flush with the baseboard. As you can see, it stops the door very easily. Thanks again, guys, for tuning in to What the Fox. Until next time, take care.